Welcome to Della Salipa Coursera course Aligning AI with Lasallian Learning Outcomes, led by Glenda R. Obre from the Integrated Digital and Innovative Instructions Office, Della Salipa. It focuses on ethically integrating AI in education while adhering to the Lasallian tradition's Christian mission and social innovation goals. Educators will learn to create AI-driven assessments with human oversight and develop mission alignment statements for digital transformation. The curriculum also emphasizes environmental conservation and establishing an AI code of ethics for colleges. Ultimately, the program prepares academic leaders to tackle future educational challenges by blending technology with values based pedagogy. In this course, we're going to bridge Christian education and social innovation, provides a structured framework to ensure artificial intelligence serves our institutional mission rather than disrupting it. Anchoring artificial intelligence in the ILO, which is Institutional Learning Outcomes. We're rooting on the values and versus the action matrix. So we focus on the following values, which is first person, innovative, accessible, and earth. Under person, we're focusing on ethical values and moral professional practice. Under innovative, we're focusing on resourcefulness and solving societal problems. Under accessible, uplifting the marginalized through education. And earth, environmental sustainability, leading to this action matrix such as designing human-centric AI frameworks, leveraging AI for community impact, creating scalable, inclusive, project-based learning. And the last is utilizing AI modeling for environmental conservation. So the integration pathways has the following steps based on the Education 5.0 flow. So we will be having step one, identify social challenges. Step two, define AI fluency level, which has the following delegation, description, discernment, diligence, leading to human-centric and society-centric framework. And at the same time, after this, we have the step three, which is faculty mentorship and student reflection loop. Under step one is funneling social challenges into classroom prompts. We're going to have broad social and community challenges. That means, like, for example, environmental conservation, marginalized uplift. And this includes the combination mix of Lasallian values and your AI fluency that will be acquired in this course, targeting the PBL or the project-based learning prompts, and identifying technology that serves the challenge, which is by defining the social problem first, AI becomes a tool for active community problem solving rather than a passive shortcut. And step two is calibrating the AI fluency spectrum. We have the 4Ds, which are delegation, description, discernment, diligence. Delegation is that you are to have a passive reliance on AI for basic task execution. Description is guiding AI through precise prompting and context setting. Discernment is critically evaluating AI outputs for bias, accuracy, and ethical alignment. And the last is diligence, rigorous, values aligned mastery, and fact checking of AI assisted work. So, meaning to say, we will be having passive tool use, which is AI, to ethical AI mastery. Step three is the human in the loop mentorship cycle. So AI does not teach the student, AI assists the student while the faculty mentors are the reflection. Mentors the reflection rather. So under phase one, in this course you will be learning about how to do the different phases that we have here. Phase 1 is the student utilizes AI for PBL prompt. Phase 2, AI generates initial conceptual output. Phase 3, student reflection evaluating against Lasallian values. And phase 4, faculty mentorship and intervention. Next is a portfolio of tangible institutional assets. Participants do not just learn theories, they build customized blueprints ready for immediate department deployment. So, AI mission alignment statement, drafted specifically for your academic department, and human in the loop assessment. We design rubrics that evaluates reflection, not just output. PBL prompt library, um, project-based learning prompts addressing real community challenges, and college AI code of ethics, a foundational policy document establishing ethical AI use. And this will be everyone will be encouraged to see the AI institutional policy. Now, preparing college program chairs for the future. So this will start on March 17, and everyone will be equipped with the structural framework to lead the faculty under the program chair's care through the educational 5.0 transition, transform apprehension into values aligned empowerment. So that ends this particular presentation. Good luck in taking the course.